replacing some EGR gaskets for this tuber. See, it's leaking. Already got it about halfway done. We'll see how it goes.